Gunbot is one of the most well-known cryptocurrency trading bots, designed to automate trading across multiple exchanges. In this review, I will go over its key features, pricing, strategies, and my personal experience using it. Let's start with the user interface. Once you log in, you are greeted by the Gunbot dashboard, which provides an overview of your trading activity, balances, and recent trades. The interface is not the most modern looking but is functional. From here, you can configure different trading strategies, set up API keys for your exchanges, and monitor your bot's performance in real time. One of the most important aspects of Gunbot is its strategy customization. It supports a wide range of pre-configured trading strategies, including Bollinger Bands, EMA crossover, and RSI-based strategies. Users can also create their own custom strategies, making it flexible for both beginners and experienced traders. You can fine-tune settings such as stop-loss, trailing stop, and buy-sell signals to fit your trading style. Another strong point is its exchange compatibility. Gunbot supports major crypto exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, Bitfinex, and more. The setup process involves generating an API key on your exchange and linking it to Gunbot, allowing the bot to execute trades on your behalf. When it comes to pricing, Gunbot offers different license tiers, each with varying features. The basic plan provides access to automated trading on a limited number of pairs, while higher-tier plans unlock more features such as additional strategies, backtesting, and advanced automation tools. Compared to some other trading bots, Gunbot has a one-time payment model instead of a monthly subscription, which might be a pro or con depending on your preference. Performance-wise, Gunbot's efficiency depends on market conditions and the strategies you choose. Some users report profitable trades, while others experience losses as settings are not optimized properly. It's crucial to backtest and tweak strategies to maximize results. Security is another consideration. Since Gunbot operates using API keys, it's important to enable withdrawal restrictions to prevent unauthorized access. The software runs locally on your computer, or VPS, meaning you retain full control over your funds rather than trusting them to a cloud-based service. Many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. A downside of Gunbot is its learning curve. Unlike some other trading bots that offer simple plug-and-play functionality, Gunbot requires manual configuration. While there are guides and community support, new users might find the initial setup complex. However, once properly configured, the bot runs autonomously, making trades based on predefined conditions. Customer support is available via forums, Telegram groups, and an official support system. While the community is active, direct support response times can vary depending on your issue. The documentation is extensive, which helps in troubleshooting and configuring advanced settings. Overall, Gunbot is a solid choice for traders looking for a highly customizable crypto trading bot. If you're willing to put in the effort to fine-tune your settings, it can be a powerful tool for automated trading. However, it's not a magic money-making machine, and risks are always involved in crypto trading. Make sure to test strategies thoroughly before committing real funds. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto trading insights and bot reviews.